My favorite thing about the Speed School is the research opportunities available at the University of Louisville, where you can see your concepts in class in action. Research is where you really get to discover new things, get to apply more things you learned in class. That's really what I like about it, seeing what you learned in class. I'm a visual person, so that's what I enjoy about it. I chose Speed School because of the co-op program. I really believe it gave me an insight into what is expected of an engineer. If you're a mechanical engineer, that doesn't mean when you go out in the co-op experience, you'll only be working with that, and you'll gain an understanding of many different areas of engineering. As you get into your major, you get to know your professors because they'll be teaching many different classes that you will have throughout your semesters. You see them outside of class for maybe your projects. It really becomes personal. Take a tour and then you'll learn that there's a lot of opportunities. You'll see all the services to help you succeed. You'll love it.